and consonant blends. Read vowel and consonant blends that begins with the letter E. Short sound of this letter is E. E. T. E. T. Et. Et. E. D. E. D. Ed. Ed. E. G. E. G. Egg. Egg. E. E. N. N. E. B. E. B. Ebb. Ebb. E. L. E. L. 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 Fantastic! Let's do some activity now. It's activity time. Pause the video to identify the blends in the grid. Et. Can you find the et blend in this grid? It is here. Can you find the ed blend? I know you're very smart. Can you find the egg blend? Searching, searching, searching. Searching, searching, searching. Here it is! Can you find the N blend? N. Let me give you some time. Here it is! Can you find the ebb? Where is ebb? Here it is! Can you find L? Yes, I think you have found it. I think you're correct. Here it is! Come on, well done, well done. Really felt happy to play with you. The Infinite Academy, a value-based education center for all. We train students to develop their English skills in all areas. Contact us for more details. Do leave a comment if you really enjoyed learning with me and subscribe to my channel. Bye!